Hey guys, me Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see what's going on the markets. So that is I suspect this is the real T2 for Fjord, not this. I'm not sure though. That's far. You see it corrected to 0.5. That far it does look like it. So now the new sign of strength is here. Yeah, like this. We'll see about that. The volume distribution on hourly does not suggest. Look at all this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that does not suggest exhaustion, so I wouldn't buy it after a successful test here. We'll see. We'll see about that. This is the trade. I have 3 trades here. So the 2 Rs was closed today. The swing was closed yesterday. The 2R was closed today. And I still have another position. They're like thirds. 3/3. I have to 119. Oops. No, 119. Come on. Oh, I know what happened. 119. So yeah, I'm holding another position up to T2 of the daily level. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. Anyhow, I don't need to limit myself up to 0.5 in counter trend because we have transition extremum. And look at this beautiful volume. It's now even bigger. I'm debating myself whether I should hold the rest to 0.5. I don't think I should. I should re-enter if anything. Like volume is beautiful and it suggests that this trend is over, and you see like this thing has potential. However, if you look at yearly, look at this volume. There is no context direction, but this wave is short. There is nothing that suggests that this doesn't go. If it held the sign of strength, oh, and it's not. Yeah, so never mind. I mean, the whole thing suggests it's going short, so I'll walk away with T2 of daily level. What is going on? Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so that's plug. Intel. Is in 0.5 right now. I think it's already changed direction. Yeah, it's sure enough. Changed direction on an hour, so only through transition extremum of the daily level. Daily level though still holds. Does look like an exhaustion. Volume 1, volume 2. It does look like something that wants to reverse. Look at this volumes though. We'll see about that. So yeah, and I'm stuck like here. Magnet, Roku, Fjord. I have Fjord open. If this was the biggest volume like this, that would be beautiful. I would just buy right now. But it's not. And it's just my assumption that this is a level than this, because that's an old spread. Like I'm using old spread here, and then it's bullish, bullish, bullish. The first T1 is here, and then T2 is here. And it's like far from 0.5, but considering where we are on monthly and the volume distribution on monthly, yeah. I just buy more here. I just buy more here. I'd say I'd love it to come here to this level and give a biggest volume here and then pop up. That's more viable. Yeah. Not sure about this. Pfizer. I think that would be valid to say that this is the level. Pfizer. Yeah, we have 1 day left. And then it closes in a break. After 1 day, it will close the break of this level. I'm on the thin ice with this one because I'm still stuck in here, and I have like I doubled up on Pfizer. Yeah, I think we'll be good. Yeah, Tukeka, I don't know. And this, I found the call straight. I almost forgot about it. Somehow it slipped my mind. I'm still stuck in Samalot, like for fractions. I'm out of here, and there's like just a little of shares I bought there. But anyhow, Dixie does its move. Go figure. Go figure. Oh, that was earnings. Dix is on earnings. And nothing there held, and this one is like way too low, so yeah. Raspatsky is like weird. That was a trade. Boom. And then that was the trade right there for like quick to arm booms. XLV. See, this level worked. Oh, look at this volume. Look at this volume. Yeah, that's what we have now. Yeah. Weird. It's gonna close in a break in a day. This is interesting. This, you guys, is interesting. 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 Whichever floats your boat. This is like way too big of a volume, I think. Yeah, what can you do about it? Already changed direction. Meta. This level worked. It holds. Didn't give us a test. And then boom. But this was like 2R. Well, not anymore. Not anymore. This was, oops. That was a quick 2R. That's now a break. Interesting. Interesting. 6.5, but it's like so high up there. And broke officially and changed direction. Yeah. I'll show you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Sorry, never mind. Now mind Excel card PLD. Yeah. Did its move. Boom. Just straightforward. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Didn't wait for Mishka at all. How rude. Rude stock. Didn't wait for Mishka at all. Well, technically that's the biggest volume, but it's the last volume of the hour as well. So I'd be very careful about it. But still. If you want to believe in it, it's there. Rosneft. Oops. Went lower. Nice volume build up. What's the biggest? Oh my gosh. 504. And so that's the biggest. Actually bounced off this, look. If you look at the last approach, not the whole wave, but just last stretch was here. And boom, bounces. Drama, drama, drama. That's not an hourly watch anymore. Yeah. MetLife. I probably talked your ears off about this guy already, but I did an infomercial for them. What was it? It was my first out of town gig, I think. Still remember. This is not a short wave. Believe me or not, it's still long. What happened here? Yeah, this is not good. So this level was broke, so now daily, if it comes here, let's count the trend on monthly, right? Yeah, and 0.5 is like down there, way below, way. Volumes are good though, and this volume is good. We'll see about that. Quart energy. Now on this break, change direction. Yeah. Technically this was the, just didn't hold at all. So I'm not sure what I'm looking for here. Yeah, and monthly contradicts yearly. It's in correction and still holds like as long, but I don't think so. Oh, Sibneft is another trade I'm in. But it's not my trade, I'm just shadowing. I'm just shadowing my trading coach. Oops, ow. Stop it. Where am I? It was here. And that's 5 to 7, 52. Oops. 52. And the take is 587.35. 587.35. It's a little bit above 2R, but I just got a better entry. This is like 2R of my trading coach, and I just like, when I follow his trades, I just like shadow him. Let's see. Let's describe our trade. Months. So it's a trend trade, and it's a long impulse, but we are in a correction, right? And we're above 0.5. Yeah. Let me just log it into my journal right away. For Russian markets, it's my 10th trade of the year, and it's investment, and it's originally it was Sibneft. That's why, like, Siberia oil. You see it from the ticker, but now it's Gazprom Neft because Putin friends from Gazprom came and take it. Surprise, surprise. Wait. And it's a trend trade on monthly. Oh no, it's a counter trend. I'm sorry, what I'm talking about. Counter trend trade. And in a day, it will close. It will break. The support level is not gonna hold. Short impulse, but I trust my coach. Short, it's almost like I'm training muscle memory, shadowing his trades. Short impulse, support level, and it's above before correction. We don't have 0.5 correction. And yeah, unvolumed T1, unvolumed T1, unvolumed. No, there is some volume on say volumed interaction bar. That's what I see on month. Counter trend. Yeah. I wouldn't take it, at least without a test. If it was up to me to decide, I would have waited for a test. It's aggressive counter trend trade. It's a short impulse. It's a biggest volume transition extremum slash T1. It's the biggest volume. The daily volume, the inferior time frame volume distribution is great. Biggest volume transition extremum slash T1, biggest volume 2-bar spring in a good form, so like reaction bar closed above the interaction bar. But the rest, and it's a support level, calculated affordable stop limit. It's stop limit, it's not a stop market. 1 to 2 restore take profit before T1 T2 of daily. Yeah, and it's sure enough. Yeah. It's kind of, yeah, it is. But this 0.5 does not make any sense. Yeah. Okay. Sell short and biggest volume transition. Yeah. Aggressive and sugar spring plus copy link. I'm not gonna share it with the world for the I opened it yesterday. You know, just not be accused of plagiarism. $11:34 a.m. I bought it $5.27 and 5. My take profit is this. My stop limit is this. I don't even put a real stop limit. I should stop calling it that, because I just do it with my hands. Okay. So yeah, that's the trade now. If it was for me, I would have waited for test and maybe put my take profit before 0.5. Maybe I should still do that. 5 at 145. You know what I mean? Before. And 0.5 on monthly. Because there's already calculated was a case on Beluga where I have noticed in a timely manner that the take profit, hold on, let me first fix it. The take profit is after 0.5, and I fixed myself, and I was right. And my acting coach didn't fix him. Acting trading coach didn't fix himself, and he was wrong. He had to break even. So limit all I have, and limit is gonna be at 581.75. And it's weird, but like my Russian broker doesn't allow to do good till cancelled. You need to put a date. Alright. So yeah, 581.75. You know. And yeah, I would have waited for test if it was to my liking. So on to one message. Let me fix this. It's so good. It's 1 month, 1 2. Take profit. So it's graphic method, not mathematical, not calculation. Yeah, that's my thinking. Exactly. Yeah. It doesn't make sense though, you guys, because it's already, I'll tell you what, it already reached the 0.5 here. No, it doesn't make sense. So let's put it back. That doesn't make sense because it's already on this bounce. It's already reached 0.5. So I like it even less. I like this trade even less. So it's only worked once, the 0.5, and it's already been used. So I don't know what my trading coach is thinking. Let me put it back. Limit 587.30, 587.35. All and keep it. So still it doesn't have like good till cancelled. I'll just scroll to whatever year in the future and put it there. Yeah. This stinks. So 1 to 2 raise to reward it is. Then 1 to 2 raise to reward before T2 daily take profit. They're still before the T2 on daily. Yeah, like volume is great, but it's not even 0.5. We are on correction on monthly. Look at this. We're not at 0.5. This is our sign of strength level. Yeah. Come see, come sell. But trust my coach. Anywho, that would have worked. Volumed. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's gone and done. For now, Severstal broke the T1. Very similar to something else we just watched. Very similar, and probably gonna break the monthly level in like in a day. So yeah, I was showing how this thing oops. Yeah. See? You see? Yeah. Here's the new transition extremum on Unipro. Bro, it's Unipro. Can I be a copywriter for commercials? Bro, it's Unipro. Would you guys hire me as a commercial copywriter? I used to write though. I even have a book published in Russian though. You gotta own the language. There's writers though. I see the writers who write in their like who are non-natives, who write in a foreign language. I think that's remarkable, really. That's also goes to daily. Ba-boom, bada-boom. Oh, Beluga. So that will happen here. They were like rearranging the chart because they had like split or something. So like it was like it used to be like 6,000 whatever, and then they did like it 10 times, not the split, but vice versa, consolidation. So it changed like the graphics of the chart, and I've noticed it in a timely manner. So you see how it like respected 0.5 and boom. But first time, second time wouldn't count, but first time. So I noticed it here and was able to close manually. And it was my trading coach's trade. And like his take profit, original take profit was like somewhere around here. And then boom, he had to close. He had to break even here. And I was able to take my profit, so. So good for me. Not bragging, just saying. And actually, since we are bypassed the and that's not our transition extremum. That's our transition extremum. Actually, excuse me, sir, don't you see? So then this is gonna be perfect 0.5. Yeah, this is sexy, I think. Oh my god, can you hear that massacre? Stop it. Just give me a sec. I hope it's better now. Yeah, still too high. Counter trend. Yeah. Oh la la. Ooh la la. Yeah. No bueno. That's interesting. We already bypassed. So once you bypass like transition extreme, technically we are good to look short. To look in continuation of the trend. Which here. I'm not gonna short you. I'm just fooling around. I'm not gonna short you. Ketchup. It falls down. It just dies. But you know, guys, I don't short stock markets. So I don't know how. It's just. If you know, let me know. Maybe buying puts, because I don't want to be exposed. Like, you can only trade short with like real stop is the stock market. However, there's all the gaps that American market has. Oof. Yeah. Can easily wake up to huge gap that stops you out, wiggles you out, and just then continue to go your direction. I think it's not fun at all. I think it's like opposite of fun to find yourself in a situation like this. That sucks. Like for real. So only, and stop limits of course are impossible on shorts because market can reverse anytime and never come back. and go up, 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 and then you'll have to take this like loss somewhere anyways, or just risking losing your capital. And I don't want to lose my capital. It's not my jam. This Apple guy. Yeah, it will break this level in a day. Tomorrow is the last day of the month. Ooh, it's gonna be Black Friday. It's gonna be purge. Where the life will be jealous about the dead. I don't know why I say that, and I don't even know if it makes sense in English, but I just said it. Look at this. It's a transition extremum by a hair and unvolumed. Would you trust in an unvolumed transition extremum? Because I wouldn't. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this stuff. Why are you unvolumed? Tell me, transition extremum, please. Enlighten me on the issue. GM. I didn't take this trade. It's in a balance. This weird crippled balance. And there's an exhaustion, but it's like way above, way before 0.5. I don't know why, but I don't like extended lines. So, yeah. This volume is weird though. Normally that doesn't work. It's earnings though. Ooh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Yeah. Ish. You guys see where the volume is, right? It's here. It's here. Let's see, just for funsies. Change the direction. Yeah, ooh. Let's just not forget that this whole thing is untested volume zone. Eesh. Yeah. Just for funsies. Just for funsies. Oh. Interesting. Should we trust 1 minute? Because according to 1 minute, the volume is here and then here, here. 1 minute suggests that we should not be scared of this volume at all. So let's put it like this. And that makes it a day. How did they call? They call it the ring bell, like the bell that's marking out the beginning and the end of the trading. Let's remove this so it doesn't like emotionally color me. It's not bad of a volume for Best Boy. Will they die like GameStop? Oh, and that was the volume zone. You see? Even though tested, but it came there and then dropped. We'll keep an eye. I want to bail out, you guys. I have auditions to prepare for. Or how Americans say auditions. Like, why? Can't you see that U, like after A? Like, what's... Go figure. Like, it's A-U-D, right? Why would you say, like, audition? How does it make any sense? How any of this makes any sense? No, jokes aside, guys, you guys, like, English is so irregular, it's just incredible. I think it's like quite like an easy language to start reading, but it's just impossible to figure out pronunciation. Because nothing reads as it writes. You know what I mean? Just like, why? But maybe like a lot of languages like this. Like, comes to think of it, Russian is also like that. Like, there's so many like shortenings and like Russian schwa sound, which substitutes for like most of unstressed vowels and all of that. And all of that. There's somewhere like here now. This PDD holding. Not to be confused with DD. Oh no, I'm not gonna go through all of that. No, God, please, no. So yeah, let's see how Fjord closed. Boom. Yeah, that was a trade, believe me or not. Wouldn't do it last minute of an hour, but that was... No, that's bullshit. Yeah, no. That's bullshit. Yeah, technically, if it goes, it goes. Without me, I'm in position anyway. Unvolumed. Yeah, we'll see about that tomorrow. Our plug. I took out 2/3 of the position in profit. Not to brag, but I did. Yeah, I'll keep on looking. Well, Pfizer, I just need to hit the take profit and then to break even on this one. And that's it. Clock, I'll be watching for more. But yeah, I'm gonna let you go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Take care now.